Veggie-loaded spiral pasta. This is a one-pot pasta dish, so it's super easy. Start with the spiral pasta, then add some thinly sliced onion, a garlic clove. For the red capsicum, cut down each side and then thinly slice. These tomatoes can go in whole. For the carrots, peel and half lengthways. And finally, zucchini. Just thinly slice it diagonally. Sprinkle with Italian herbs and pour over your vegetable stock and water. Place the pot over medium heat and bring to a simmer. Cook stirring often for about 20 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Add spinach and chilli if you're using, and stir until well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Serve this one-pot pasta topped with flat leaf parsley and lemon zest. This delicious dish makes a great vegetarian weeknight meal. Feel free to change up the veggies depending on what you have in the fridge. For more vegetarian recipes, check out our vegetarian playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.